Good evening. We have one more confirmed case. This is the case of a person who travelled from Goa to Mumbai and back by road. So this person has come back from Mumbai and is confirmed positive, and he is currently in our quarantine facility. Now that we have got his confirmation, we will be shifting him to COVID hospital. There are 9 patients who are under treatment in COVID hospital who are being cured. So this brings our total number of active cases to 31. Today we sent 608 samples for testing. We have received 525 reports. Reports awaited are 112. Suspects under hospital isolation are 3. Interstate domestic travellers who are home quarantined are 446. Travellers in facility quarantined 74. People quarantined at various facilities 244. Today we had the second language exam for the SSC students, and 18,881 students have appeared in the exam.
Hi, good evening, and today we plan to send 4 trains, one to UP, which have already left with 1,628 passengers, one to Jharkhand, West Bengal, and another one for UP. So total 31 trains have left so far, with 68,897 number of people who left Goa since 29th April, and 5,474 people who have come inside Goa. And as earlier I shared, since the last time 177 more cases of spitting have been booked, and 1,029 people have been booked for not wearing the mask. And Arogya Setu, 2.61 lakh people have downloaded Arogya Setu in Goa. That's all. Thank you.
Madam, this is Goa, no? The confirmed case.
The person is from Goa, but the person had travelled from Mumbai into Goa. Yes.
Family is negative.
Family is negative, so people are.
The person came back. He had gone to Mumbai to collect his family members. The family members, 2 of them who are there with him, are negative. But they are also we are keeping them in our quarantine. Now that he's positive, they'll be with us for 14 days. We'll be watching them for 14 days.
Ma'am, can you please update us about if government has granted permission to any new lab for collection of samples?
Yes, one lab, Suburban Diagnostics Limited, had approached the DHS. They will be given permission, they have been given permission for swab collection. Their samples will be sent, the samples that they draw will be sent to Mumbai. Their lab is in Mumbai.
कोविड नेगेटिव सर्टिफिकेट का कुछ SOP कुछ चेंजेस करने के लिए सोच रहे थे, कुछ अपडेट है?
कोविड नेगेटिव सर्टिफिकेट के SOP को चेंज
बॉर्डर से कौन आता, महाराष्ट्र से समथिंग केसेस बहुत
इन प्रोटोकॉल के बारे में आज ऑनरेबल सीएम सर ने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑलरेडी ले रखी है, सो आई विल नॉट, देयर इज नथिंग मोर टू ऐड. दैट इज व्हाट हैज बीन कम्युनिकेटेड.
आपका साइड से मुझे एक स्टेटमेंट चाहिए कि हाउ इज प्रोसेस, तो कैसे वो लोगों,
यू वांट मी टू रिपीट?
या
If you insist, I will summarize that basically we had earlier given 3 options, either COVID negative certificate or the choice of getting your test done or 14-day quarantine. That 14-day quarantine option has been removed. So anybody who comes into Goa either by air, rail or road have to now either produce the COVID negative certificate or they have to give that swab and we will test them. This is it.
Ma'am, is the government looking at relaxing the lockdown for this bar and restaurants after June 1st?
I am not competent to comment on that now because there is no such decision.
कितने लोग डेली गोवा में आते हैं? How many people are coming, arriving by road, plane?
That is a very dynamic number, and actually it's a number which changes every day. On an average, we have records, both collectors have shared that in total they get around 350-400 people coming by road. Rail, it depends on when the trains are there. The day when we had 2 Rajdhanis coming in, we had around 500-600 odd people coming in. But then it depends on whether the train is running or not. Air passengers, as you know, that's just begun. So that is again a figure which is changing by the day.
today 5 planes arrived.
That is true. Today I have the exact details of 4 planes, but I'm told that just now 2 more planes have landed. So that it was scheduled 6 flights for today. All 6 flights have come. Remaining, of course, got cancelled.
Ma'am, from June 1st, the regular trains are also starting. Is there any change of plan?
As of now, the protocol is what has been already announced to you. So there is no particular change. So it has been described in detail by Honorable CM.
Huge, not just 4,000. It could be much more than that.
So I'm sure Honorable CM has addressed that question in the morning press conference. Yes.
Yeah, everybody will be charged or
Yes, everybody who have to give their sample for test will mandatorily have to pay rupees 2,000.
मैडम अभी तक स्टिल गोवा में कोई नेगेटिव सर्टिफिकेट लेके आने वाले कितना जन हुआ?
कोविड नेगेटिव सर्टिफिकेट अभी तक लगभग 4 या 5 लोग हैं. हर दिन हमें 1 या 2 ही मिल रहे हैं. आज के एयर पैसेंजर्स में भी 1 ने लेके आया है. जो कल आए थे उनमें से भी 2 लोग थे. तो अभी तक 4 से 5.
अच्छा, बाय रोड और एयर सब इसमें
जी सब मिला.
Ma'am, there is a confusion going around in social media. There are a lot of posts about regarding the school starting. Some people say that nursery will be stopped and high school will be resuming in June or July sometime.
Goa government has taken no decision whatsoever about the opening of schools. We are awaiting instructions from the government of India. So whatever news is there pertaining to Goa on social media should not be relied upon.
Ma'am, similarly, has there been any decisions of the government or SEC about resumption of hotels and restaurant businesses?
Not yet.